I'm a grown man, and this is how I spend my time. Driving far in an old car, working for a thin dime. Ever since my baby left me, all my bad luck seems to rhyme. I'm singing songs to get along and get by. Open up the floodgates, open up the floodgates, open up the floodgates. Damn fruited plains. I got the van packed, everything stacked up just right. Speakers and stands, more instruments than I need to play in a night. Got what I need, feeling free. I figure that I'll camp by the lake tonight. And I won't think about you, I won't think about you. I'll be singing songs to get along and get by. Open up the floodgates, open up the floodgates, open up the floodgates. Damn fruited plains. We both went to the party. All day I was feeling pretty brave. You were blowing on a bottle, saying how many notes you could make. Your ride was talking about driving. Somehow it was more than I could take. Went up to the bed where you would have stayed beside me. Dog barking, I was crying, and all I could do for me, singing songs to get along and get by. Open up the floodgates, open up the floodgates, open up the floodgates. Damn the fruited plains. Open up the floodgates, open up the floodgates, open up the floodgates. Damn fruited plains.